Immerse yourself in the world of power tools with the Stihl battery-operated chainsaw. A marvel of modern engineering, this chainsaw promises to deliver robust performance and unmatched convenience. Equipped with realistic chainsaw sounds, it offers an authentic experience that's as close as it gets to wielding a professional chainsaw. The attention to detail is truly impressive, from the design aesthetics to the operational functionality. This battery-operated chainsaw is not just a toy, but a tool that sparks creativity and encourages outdoor play. It's a perfect gift for kids and adults alike who are fascinated by the power and efficiency of chainsaws. One of the standout features is its safety. The Stihl battery-operated chainsaw is designed with safety at its core, ensuring everyone can enjoy the thrill of using a chainsaw without any risks. But don't just take our word for it. Dive into the world of Stihl and experience the thrill of this battery-operated chainsaw yourself. Remember, for more information or to make a purchase, check out the link in the description below. Experience the Stihl difference today.